We've got a 3-bedroom house that's owner built in northern New South Wales. We're on quite a steep block of land here. And as you can see, we follow the natural contours to eliminate the need for big expensive retaining walls and excavation costs. We'll take you inside. So we've got a nice big 1200 wide pivot door, stain grade. And we come straight through into the living wing with the kitchen, open plan living, dining, and a massive big balcony out here to take advantage of the views. We've got stacking sliding doors that are bi-parting, open nice and smooth, and then we've used a combination of different materials out here. The material out here is the linear board, gives it that nice classical look, easy to put up, it's got good thermal qualities as well, and then outside we've got the fully lined and insulated veranda. Hardwood decking, and then it's about 3.5 metres wide by about 10 metres long. We'll take you through to the living room. Okay. We'll take you through to the master bedroom and then the bedroom wing. So this is the master bedroom through here, ensuite walk-in robe. It's about 3.5 metres by 3.5 metres, so it's just a little bit bigger than your standard bedroom. It's got its own little private balcony off here as well. And you can see there's a different type of cladding on this side, which is called the axon. So it gives that nice vertical linear look. Take you down this way to the laundry. The second bathroom is just in here. And then we've got the spare bedrooms down the end. We've used the double hung windows that give that nice architectural look. Slide up and down both ways, and then we've gone for a slightly higher ceiling throughout the whole house as well, so we've got the 2.5 metre high ceilings, so 8.5 foot. Okay, we'll just do a quick one downstairs. Okay, this house is built on an elevated floor system, so what we do is we do a board pier, so each pad footing goes down about 1.2 metres, and then the posts get bolted on top. Each post, you can see the number there, this is post 33, is made to an exact size. So every single post can be a different size, so it follows the natural contours. Means you don't have to worry about benching or trying to get everything level at the start. You basically put all the pad footings in, smooth it off, shoot all the levels, and then we make the posts up perfectly to suit each pad footing. And then we've got a bearer and joist system. Doesn't squeak, doesn't wobble, doesn't bounce, very easy to put together. It's all steel bearers and joists. And then of course the cross bracing goes in afterwards just to brace it all up. But very easy system. All the plumbing and electrical is hung underneath the floor system, so it can be done once the house is at a lock-up stage.